This is the Kidda right here, and it looks pretty old. Kidda detector. 2 detectors I will be testing. I'm at my baby cousin's place. Or, my nephew, I guess. I don't know yet, but I will try to. Or she can't get it tripping. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna get the camera right here. Alright. Why is this camera so slow? I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Here we go. Wait. You know what? Watch this. Whoa. I'm trying to be careful not to crack my head or nothing. Alright. Speaker set.
There you go, bud. There you go. You want your little fruit?
It is not hardwired, right? Just letting you know that. It's operated.
Here.
Here's his old. Here's a Family Guard. I'm not sure if it's a Family Guard or not.
I'm trying to open them for you, little man.
So I got the battery right here. I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna test it for you guys. I gotta put the camera down for a second. Take it without breaking anything.
Here. If you get the scissors. We got scissors over here.
Alright. Oh boy. Hold on. Oh. That will be hard to take off. Sorry. Sorry to hear my neighbor parting mouth. Alright. Here goes for the test. I'm just do once. Dang, that thing's loud. Alright, I'm gonna take my battery out real quick.
I got them open. I do. I got them open for you.
Whatever.
Here you go. Here yours.
I'll be off for today.